Hi again, people. People ask me if I wash my microfiber. I sprayed down my engine with some Lysol that's supposed to keep mice away, but I cleaned it this time because I ran over the roads and they were spraying that liquid to make the ice not work. So anyway, this is how I clean my microfibers. Moki's gonna help me here. The rabbit was out here earlier. What are you doing, boy? I'm about to start playing in those suds. You better get away. So I put me some Dawn dishwashing detergent and a little and these things, you know, they get dirty with my oils and stuff. So I just put some Dawn dishwashing detergent and whatever soap you're using. I use Tide. So I got some Tide in here and some Dawn dishwashing detergent. And I've already done 5 of these already. If I put a gun somewhere, a lot of times I'll wrap it in one of these cloths because I can spray oil on a gun, put it on this cloth. It's not going to scratch it. It's going to keep a good coat of oil on it. I also use some to clean up my TVs, or if I'm polishing some of my wooden batons or some wood. After I use one for, if you drop this on the ground, everything sticks to it. It's almost ruined. You might as well just throw it away. You cannot get the little pieces out of it. It'll take you forever. So if I see any in here while I'm doing this, I usually try and pull them out. But they really get caught in those fibers. And you almost just want to throw it away because you can't get it out. And then you got those little wood pieces that dry. And if you're cleaning something, they can scratch. But since I use them for guns and just cleaning my guns, I'm not that worried about it. So after I slosh them around like I'm a washing machine back in the olden days, and I don't do this in my sink because I'm on a septic and I don't want my all this soap and oil and other crap getting out of here. So I always do mine in a bucket outside so I can just throw it away. So after I slosh them around a little bit, I hang them on the side and then I'll hose them off. Don't drop them. You got to hang on to these or you're screwed. So this is my rinse cycle. I know you guys are like, I hope he drops it. Well, I ain't dropping it. So you can quit hoping. Wring it out. I look at the water. See if there's anything in there that this wasn't as clear as I liked. It was pretty clear. And I'll wring it out again. That's clear. So I'm okay with that one. After I clear it, I either hang it usually inside because I don't want the wind to blow it and land on the ground. So this actually has a little piece of sticker that's stuck to it that didn't come off, and I got that off. So when they're clean, you can kind of inspect them. Some of this has lint or different colored lint. Sometimes I use my that steel wool and I'll get a little piece stuck on here. So this one is good. I'm just going to hang it out here right now while I do the other 2. Moki's helping me. Don't drop it. Look at Moki trying to attack me. I don't know if he's a gamer. So that was pretty clean, but I usually give them 2. Not that a little bit of Dawn detergent or soap would hurt anything. I just want to get them chemical free because I'm using them for my guns and I'm already spraying oil and stuff on them as it is. And then they come out pretty good. I don't know if I'm on camera. I didn't turn this around. Hold on. So this is how they come out. Now a couple of them have some dirt stains if I really cleaned up a lot of dirt or I got a lot of dirt. I usually use my old t-shirts because I can just throw them away from my oil. But sometimes I will get dirt, but these are usually like a finishing when I'm oiling and wiping down, not necessarily cleaning. I don't use these as cleaning rags, so to speak. I use them more as finishing rags. Moki's playing his dead cat. Y'all see Moki? Dead kitty. Good boy. Good boy. So this actually had something black on here. Kind of like right here. I don't know what that is. It doesn't look stiff like it's going to hurt anything. But if I find something like that, I just usually try to pull it out. Just get rid of it. And because these microfibers are kind of one color, things stick out. See that piece of grass sticking out right there? I want to get rid of that. Got a piece of white fuzz there that kind of stuck to it somehow. Maybe a piece of grass behind it there. That looks like a little bit of glue that's kind of glued on there. So that's how I clean my microfibers. If I see something that I need to get off, I just kind of wash them and clean them up. And then I let them dry. Alright? Moki left. He's done playing his stupid kitty tricks. Alright, so that's how I clean my microfiber cloths. Hi Ransom, hi buddy! Well, let out there, I'm building my burn pile.